big.
Appreciate that.
We gotta cut the bore out the center. Where is the cutter at? That was this one here.
Are you able to run one of these?
Huh?
Or are you able to run one of these like modern engines without all these fucking bullshit electrical?
Yeah, quit swearing on my videos.
Hmm?
Quit swearing on my videos.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're not. Just scooting around that damn late model crap over there. Here. Flashlight, where'd it go to? Oh, over here. Got it. So this one here. Looks like we're boring it really big. Here we are. Okay, we're boring out the throat for more power. Oh yeah. Cutting a lot of material out. See, this one ain't opened up big like that last one. Actually got a lot of core shift in it. Oh, this is the stock port versus you have the shovel head port. Did we? No, that was a panhead we did. No, that's a panhead again. Yeah, it's totally different though. So you can see how they really cut the hell out of it on that side. Totally different than that last one we did.
Mm-hmm.
This one has smaller ports. Good, he's more of a bobber guy anyway. That's good. Really good. Freeway cruiser guy. Different years of production, different porting. When you do stuff by hand, it varies. So now I just go in there and blend it.
Smooth it all out.
Yeah, that one's a lot more blending than this side, but yeah. That's why you do it. See that hairline? Alright, so that was the intake. So we've got our intake cutter, marker seat, and cut. I cut the wrong ones of these here. Okay, where's the cut? Eruptions already. top yet or not? I don't think we cut the top yet.
Mm-mm.
You're almost there, but not quite. Other side looks like it's pretty not there too. So you have to go down by another 5/10 thou and catch the top angle. Cutters are preset, so that part's done. See how close it repeats. Good. We got top angle on there now, maybe? It's got to be there. Just not seeing it. So we see the bottom angle, so we know the top angle's got to be right there. It just is. It's so thin, I'm not seeing it. When we lap it, we'll see it though. I'm not going to keep sinking it because it's just going to make it worse. Okay, we know we don't have to do any kind of a top cut because it only hits the seat anyway, so we're good. Okay, now we got to center up this one over here because we got a slightly different angle, which will make a difference when we do the rocker arms. Top of our seats right there. Always recenter on the final. Okay. A little bit wider on this one than that one was. There's definitely a top angle on this one, see?
Mm-hmm.
There.
Yeah.
I'm going to go back and recut this one just slightly to bring it in like I want it to be. So this one I cut down about an extra 5 thou too much. Oop, go past, come back on it. Okay. Got centers up really close to the same spot. And there's the cut you can see now. So you go down to the 5 thou or so and see then it comes right in. You know if you cut 5 or 10, but you cut about the same. So now right there pretty equal. See the depths, the width of that top cut, same height. So pretty damn equal. Alright, so this one we have to do our lap on there. We should be good to go. Okay, 2 rounds. This one is the front. Here's this one. Rear.
Yeah.
All that squeaking noise is slipping. So these are on the, that doesn't have much locking going on. There's the one, there's two. There's our seat right out here on the edge. So we wanted. You can see the mark over here. See. See the dark line?
Oh yeah.
And the one's over here. Same thing. Get the same gap from
That's
top.
That's that top angle, right?
Yeah. Alright. Back. Flip it around.